Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Look Fantastic. I know it's been a while since I unboxed this subscription box, so if you want to see what's inside the June box, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, I'm really sorry for my hair, lovelies, today, but it's really hot outside, so I tend to put them up. But I just washed them yesterday, and yes, they're quite like flat. Yeah, don't mind my hair. Let's just continue and let's unbox Look Fantastic June 2021. So if you're new to this subscription box, it is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £15 a month, including the shipping fee, but are also subscription plan available. It means that if you subscribe to them for 12 months, it will cost you only £13 a month. And if you subscribe to them for 6 months, which I choose, you will pay only £13.75 a month. And if you subscribe to them for 3 months, you will pay around £14 something a month, including the shipping fee. So yes, for all the info, as always, will be in the description box below. So let's open this box. So this is the design for this month, and it's really a cute one, and it says Look Fantastic Beauty Box. So let's open it. So we have, as always, the leaflet, booklet, and then the sticker with all tissue paper, and then the products inside. Let's see each one, but first let's see the leaflet, and it says BEAUTYBOX Edit. It's our eco month. Discover, learn, and inspire. It says here. And then it says here in the booklet, we have the editor note, what's in the box, fast fact, probiotics, the planet, positive beauty brands behind the theme, TikTok trending, bloom and wild, what's coming up next month. So let's see what's coming up next month first. So if you don't want to see the sneak peek for next month, just skip this part. So for next month, we have from LFBEAUTYBOX, and this is the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Here we go. Hope you can see it, lovelies. And this is 20 ml, and it's worth £22. And it says, this LFBEAUTYBOX Priming Moisturizer is here to give you smooth, radiant complexion of your dreams, blended with the kombucha and fermented ginger to brighten, and green tea seed oil to nourish. Perfect for use as a daily moisturizer, as a primer, or as a natural base. Can't wait to try that one. But for this month, it says June, halfway through the year. Oh my goodness, yes, it's already June. Can't believe. A cause for celebration in itself, I think, but also a big month globally for a number of different reasons. Firstly, June marks the 51st official Pride Month, yes. And though we're potentially looking at the second year on the run, unable to celebrate with the usual parades and mass gathering, there are still a number of ways you can get involved. Donate, read, check out virtual events, however you celebrate. The most important thing is that this month is as good as any to listen and learn. As well as this June is an important month for environment awareness. Our theme this month is Elements, which was chosen in honor of World Environmental Day, which is in June 5th, and World Oceans Day, June 8th. That's why in this month edit, we're delivering into the nitty-gritty of what's really inside our beauty products, whilst also showcasing some of the beauty brands that are striving to save the planet. I hope you enjoy this month, from the products to the story behind it, as much as I do. Amelia, it says in here. And now let's see each one. So excited. The first one we have here, and this is from So Eco Gentle Facial Buffer. And this one, it's a full size. It says gently exfoliate your skin with this natural facial buffer made using natural cotton and flax. And yeah, it's attached. But behind Lovelies, we have the string to put your fingers in, and you can buff your face with this. Yes, and it says here on the booklet that this one says an exfoliating pad from award-winning environmentally responsible brand So Eco. Great for all skin type. This pad helps to unclog pores and remove dead skin cells, as well as aiding in the absorption of skincare products. How much this product? It's not in here, so yeah, it doesn't say anywhere here, but as always, Lovelies, I will pop in here if you want to know how much is this. And then we have this, my favorite brand, and this is from Rituals, the Ritual of Jing Relax My Body Scrub, Sacred Lotus and Jujube. It has 7 ml, so this is just a deluxe sample size. And as I said, this is my favorite brand, Rituals. I always buy the advent calendar from this brand every year because I love the smell of Rituals. It's so relaxing, and I have loads in my drawer because I really do love them. I know this is just a travel size, and it says an exfoliating body scrub composed of ultra fine bamboo particles and a cream base that removes dead skin cells while giving you the most relaxing bathing experience. Formulated with active ingredients that are suitable on even the most sensitive skin areas, such as neck and cleavage. So yeah, they smell gorgeous, as I said. And then the next product we have, this is from Dr. Lip Tint 100% natural superfood reddish pigment. It has 8 ml. I'm not sure if this is a full size, I really don't remember. And this one, it says a hydrating tinted lip balm that glides over the lips to deliver moisture as well as a pop of color with a 100% natural ingredient list for a softer pout. Lanolin, anthis, I can't pronounce that word, plant pigment from red radish. So yes, let's open it. Let's see if it's sealed. Doesn't have the seal, so we can try it. So it come out like this. So here we go. And as I said, I'm using at the moment lip balm with the tint because I don't usually wear lipstick outside, but yeah, the color is like this. And I tried Dr. Lip Balm before, and I really do like them. They are very moisturizing one. I have lipstick on, but I just pop a bit. So yes, I tried Dr. Lip before. I have just the plain one, which is the yellow one, the original one, and I really do like it. They are very moisturizing. As you know, on winter time, I really have like chapped, dry lips. It really helps, it soothes, so I really enjoyed this product. Glad that I have here. And then the next product we have in here, we have the Balance Me Pre and Prebiotic Cleansing Milk. It has 30 ml. I know this is just a deluxe sample size. And here it says that it's a lightweight milky cleanser that removes all traces of pollution, SPF, and even eye makeup for a complexion that is left calmer, clearer, and brighter thanks to its signature bioactive pre and prebiotic complex designed to strengthen the skin delicate microbiome barrier whilst also gently exfoliate. Salicylic acid, willow bark. I tried few products from Balance Me before, Lovelies. They didn't do anything on my skin. Yes, I tried only, I think, the eye cream, and I didn't see any difference at all. I have always the full size one, so yes, I don't know. I will try this one and then we'll see. So this is the fourth product. And then the fifth one we have here, Lovelies, is from Espa, and this is a 24-hour lip replenishing eye moisturizer. It has 7 ml. I hope you can see it, Lovelies. Here we go. And this one is still a tiny product, but it has 7 ml inside, so should be enough, I think. And it says a deeply nourishing and hydrating eye cream formulated with a variety of effective kind to skin ingredients to replenish, protect, and soothe your delicate eye area. Evening primrose and jojoba oil work together to intensely moisturize for eyes that appear refreshed and youthful. So here we go. And the last product we have here, and this is from Philip Kingsley Styling Finishing Touch Polishing Serum. It has 20 ml. I know this is a deluxe sample size 2. Here it says a freeze-fighting serum to condition, protect, and help style the hair. Packaged in a bioplastic bottle made from sugar cane, 100% recyclable, and manufactured in a sustainable, ethical way. Vitamin B5, vitamin A, and citric acid. And yes, I tried Philip Kingsley before and they are really good. So that's all, lovelies. Let's do a recap. We have the Philip Kingsley Styling Finishing Touch. The another product that we received also is from Rituals, the Matte Body Scrub. As I said, I love this brand, I love this product, so I'm really glad that I got in here. We have from Espa, great brand, and this is 24-hour replenishing eye moisturizer one. I really thought that this will be a bit bigger, but 7 ml I think it's enough because you just need a tiny bit under your eye area. And then we have the Dr. Lip tint, 100% natural. I really like this brand, I really like the product, so glad that I received in here. The Balance Me Prebiotic Cleansing Milk. I never tried this one before, but I tried a few products from this brand, but yes, I will try it and then we will see. And then the last one, we have the So Eco Gentle Facial Buff. I can't wait to try it because I never tried this kind of sponge before, so we'll see. So yeah, that's all, lovelies. As always, I did my lineup spoiler of subscription box, and as I said that in that video, that I subscribed for 6 months because I saw the spoiler of this one and I really like it. I really like the products inside, and I definitely will use every single product. And yes, we'll see next month what we will receive. I hope I won't regret subscribing for 6 months. So that's all, lovelies. What do you think of this box? Are you waiting for this box too? Did you receive already? Do you like it? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget also to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.